and snacks and lots of play. It's our Super Fun Day. Jumping up with happy cheers. Sunday's here, no school, no fears. Grab some popcorn, take a seat. Funny cartoons, oh what a treat. Dancing monkeys, talking cats, flying heroes, magic hats. Laughing loud, we roll around. Sunday fun is all we found. Toony Tunes and silly shows, spinning tops and dominoes. Robots fight and fairies fly. Sunday fun just tunes on by. Banana peels and bouncy balls, puppies talking, turtles crawl. Superheroes saving days, we love Sundays, hooray, hooray. Wacky ducks and speedy trains, dancing cows and talking planes. Sundays full of giggles bright, we could watch them day and night. Wiggle, wiggle, jump so high, cartoon friends just zoom on by. Sipping juice and laughing loud, Sunday fun has made us proud. Tiny paws and fluffy tails, magic fish with golden scales. Sunday's best with cartoons near, watch and laugh, there's fun right here. Silly faces, dancing toads, wobbling ducks in funny shows. Robots, dragons, friendly bees, Sunday fun is full of glee. Pancakes stacked up super high, cartoons playing, oh my my. Sunday's here, let's jump and play, laugh and giggle all the way. Squeaky shoes and bouncing balls, Sunday fun is in the halls. Run and jump and shout, yippee! Cartoon time for you and me. Mice in hats and rabbits fast, oh this fun will always last. Watch them dance, watch them race, Sunday fun puts smiles in place. Tick-tock clock goes round and round, Sunday joy is what we found. Cartoons first, then time to play, can't we have 2 fun days? Yay! Lion sings, the bear just raps, monkey wears some funny caps. Sunday silly, full of cheer, best day ever, let's all cheer. Flying cars and space giraffes, wizards casting spells that laugh. Sunday's wild with shows so cool, no more homework, no more school. Boing boing, jump up high, spaceships zooming in the sky. Sunday fun is out of sight, cartoons make the world so bright. Zigzag zebras on a train, singing frogs dance in the rain. Sunday fun is never slow, keep it going, don't say no. Robot dogs and cows that fly, Sunday fun is reaching high. Colors, jokes and happy tunes, let's stay up to watch cartoons. Bounce like bunnies, twirl around, Sunday's best, just look around. Every show makes us giggle, wobble, dance and start to wiggle. Fluffy clouds and sky so blue, let's watch cartoons. 1 or 2 funny cats and wizard mice, Sunday fun is twice as nice. Talking chairs and laughing shoes, funny games so hard to lose. Sunday fun is what we see, can we make it last all week?